In today's video, I'm gonna teach you some tips and tricks to use GitHub's Copilot in VS Code. When using GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code, make sure you write clear comments like create a login form to get better results. Next is when GitHub Copilot shows you some suggestions, simply press Tab on your keyboard to accept those suggestions. Or you can also keep typing to refine them. Make sure you don't just accept everything and make sure you review first. You can also use Copilot chat at the right corner to ask questions like explain this code or fix this bug for instant help. You can also edit and refactor, and all you have to do is highlight a code. Then next is ask Copilot to refactor, optimize, or simplify it. Keep in mind that the more specific your prompt is, the better the output. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!